See, in this video tutorial, I will show you how to find your TikTok password if you forgot it. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and giving the video a thumbs up. This method works on various devices, including iOS, Android, and computers. We'll explore the best to find and view your TikTok password. The first step involves checking your device's settings. Exit TikTok and open your device settings. Use the search bar and search for a password manager. And use the search feature to locate your TikTok account. You should be able to view your saved TikTok password here. As a last resort, if you can't find your password, you can reset it on TikTok. Open the app, tap on the three bars in the top right, and go to Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and select Logout. For tense, if you have multiple accounts, switch to the one you need. Then tap Account followed by Already Have an Account. Log in and choose Use Phone, Email, or Username, and at the bottom you'll see the options Forgot Password. Tap on it to reset your password via phone or email. This way, you can set a new password and we'll know it as you're creating it. If this TikTok tutorial was helpful, please leave a like and share.